channel. So in today's video, it's like a DIY notebooks. So I have my planner. I might actually DIY my planner because it really fit the theme we're going for. I don't know. And then we have 4 notebooks. One is this 3 subject. It's a wide rule notebook. I don't know why I got a wide rule, but I'm changing it. So yeah. And then next is we have this 1 subject college rule notebook, but it's like white. And then next is we have is the black one. It's actually really cool how the design is, but I kind of want to change it up. So also a 1 subject college rule notebook. And then last one we got this pretty actually light purple color. And so this also white ruled. I should not got red ruled, but it's fine anyway. Yeah. So things I'm gonna use to DIY it. First, I think 2 notebooks is gonna be with K-pop. I have BTS on here. I have different BTS postcards. I even have BTS stickers. I have BTS stickers too. And then also have some paint. I also have some paint, which is acrylic paint. And I have some brushes I'm going to use. And yeah, so first we're going to do, let's see, let's think. First we're going to do the painting. We're going to paint this wide rule notebook first. And we're going to tear off all the little papers off of here. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I have tape. I'm going to put it in a specific design that I'm doing. Okay. So I put the tape in like this. So basically, this is how the tape is. So a section here, a section here, a section there, and then a section down here. I'm gonna cover up the little holes so it doesn't get into the, well, yeah. So I'm gonna use blue, purple. Oh, let's use like a violet. And then yes, let's use gray. So these 3 colors. And I'm gonna put them on this note cards. Is this 3-subject notebook. And it's also wider, but it's fine. It's plain red. I don't really like red, so we are going to how it's gonna look like. I'm gonna fix this and make it look better. Okay, so I was able to kind of take out the sticker of like the BTS logo. It was a hassle, so if I can actually get this as off, which I don't think this comes off like that, so I'll just place it in the middle slightly, but it's not gonna look right. Yeah, so I would have to put something around it in order for it to look a little decent. I'll put a picture of it, and then I'll put my 2 favorite numbers and so this is how it looks like. Okay, so this one. What I did with this one is, I think it's pretty simple. What I did with this one is that I kind of paint like the sides kind of white, so it looks a little decent. And then I got different photo cards of BTS, and then I stick them onto there with tape. That's why you see the little tape there with tape, and then like I stick it on there with the different photo cards. Some of these are stickers, some of them are not stickers, and then I will either tape them or just stick them on there. And then I got Mod Podge and then did it all over it, so it looked at least clean and good. This one I think I already showed you in the video, but what I did is I just got the simple black notebook and I just put little gold dots all the way down the notebook, and just like did like that and like randomized it, so it looks kind of custom like you would see in a store, and kind of not. Yeah.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this side away.
I did yellow, but it wasn't really showing. Like, it wasn't really like showing it that much. And then I also did another type of gray, but it would look like where it looked right. So what I did is that I put green instead, and then I got white, and then I did down this way, and then down that way, and then I Mod Podged it all the way down, so it looks a little cleaner and a little decent. And yeah, that's overall how I did it. Of the notebooks, they all have their different type of notebooks, different types of designs, and yeah, overall I think I did pretty good. I'm gonna put like a subject on this side and a subject up here, and then later the subject in the middle, and maybe the subject in the middle or at the top. But other than that, that's basically how it turned out. Yeah. So for my video, like, comment, subscribe, hit bell notification when we know has the video. I'll see you guys next time in our video. Bye.